Hi, it's Dr. William with Ogee Recovery, and today I want to show you how to use the Ogee Faja. The Ogee Faja is a very important part of your recovery. Following along the lines of the Ogee Recovery Protocol, the Ogee Faja is going to be placed at the time of surgery. So during the wake-up period, you will wake up in your Ogee Faja, and you're going to wear the Ogee Faja for 24 hours a day for the first 6 weeks, and then you're going to wear the Ogee Faja for the next 6 weeks, 12 hours a day, and you don't need to sleep in it. The Ogee Faja should be snug but comfortable. Don't think that over compression is really what you need to do to get the best result. You don't. The Faja has very strong Colombian high-grade power net that will do the work for you. So you don't need to get into something that's so tight that you can't breathe. I have a sizing video here on the website that you can refer to pick the right size. I usually recommend finding the size that will fit you before surgery and then purchasing a Faja that's down one size, and that will fit you after having the liposuction. You wear it so it's snug but not too tight. I don't want you to have difficulty breathing wearing the Faja. There are 4 hooks here that will help to shape your torso and make sure that it fits you comfortably. You don't have to have it on the exact same hook all the way down. You can have it on different levels depending on the shape of your torso and depending on the length and depending on the size of your waist. There are straps at top that are adjustable as well so that it fits you comfortably and it's not digging into your shoulder straps. You don't need any other compression device with the Ogee Faja. This provides you great ample compression. There's extra compression through the key area on the butt area, and then there's lighter compression in the back if you've had a BBL. You're going to wear the Faja for 12 weeks in total. The first 6 weeks you're going to wear it 24/7. The second 6 weeks you'll wear it 12 hours a day. Don't apply anything else over the Faja. At 2 weeks after surgery, you will add the fiber guard. That is similar to a waist trainer, although it's not training the waist. What it is doing is it's helping the skin through their little magical spheres. That fiber guard you're going to wear underneath the Faja. Now, if you're having a tummy tuck with liposuction, we also want you to get into the Ogee Faja, but you're not going to do it right away after surgery. You're going to start to wear the Faja 2 weeks after having a tummy tuck because we don't want too much pressure on your abdomen during those first 2 weeks while the blood supply is healing. So if you have a tummy tuck with lipo, then you're going to get into the Faja 2 weeks after having your tummy tuck. I recommend getting 2 Fajas, one to wear and one to wash, because particularly in the early parts of recovery from surgery, it's very leaky and your Faja will get soiled. You're going to want to take the Faja off after your massage, or before your massage. You take the Faja off, have your massage, and then put a new clean Faja on. During that day, you wear the one Faja, you wash the other one, and then you just continue to do it that way. You can get the Ogee Faja tailored. Some people need to get it tailored. We're all of different body types, and it's very simple to tailor. Take it to a seamstress that's familiar with doing this type of thing, and they can alter the garment along there to help that fit you a little bit better, because you might be in a situation where the Faja is fitting you in the upper part of the chest, but maybe your waist is a little extra small, and so you need a little extra tailoring in that area, and they can bring that in during the alteration. So you can get the Faja altered. If you find yourself where your Faja is just not fitting you well at all, and you've altered it and it's still too big, in that situation, then you're going to have to downsize to get a smaller Faja.